channel, I have only one mission, and that is to test the top speed of the car you are looking at the camera angle from, and that is Hobao Hyper V-Damn-T. Can you smell what the NitroGang is cooking? Nitro World Order. Nitro World Order. Anyway, let me get straight to the point and now talk normal. There's no need to yell, because in a couple minutes from now, you're going to be listening at the super awesome nitro sound from this Hobao Hyper 30. And I just want to hit a top speed. Can you smell what the NitroGang is cooking? Let's fire it up. There's the damn car at the top of the hill. Damn it. Okay, it turned, the car turned. Let me do a couple average warm-up passes here. Clear the pipe out. Man, this thing rolls so smooth, so nice. All right, speed pass number uno. It's zooming. That thing is quick. Let's get down off that high horse. Oh man. This thing is too fast for the camera. Super stable though. Super solid. Suspension well dampened. Brakes impressive. Let's do another pass. Oh, that was a quick one. That was a quick one. I love this thing. Impressive. Hobao action, baby. Hobao. Thank God the tire is still okay. All right. Shut it down. Well, guys, that looked fast, but we need evidence. We need proof. We need scientifically analyzed speed data. Place your bets. Put them in the comment section right now. If you guessed the speed correctly, well, pat yourself on the back. What did you expect me to do? Give you a nitro? Time for the speed analysis, and I am happy to say this Hobao far surpassed my claimed estimate that I thought I was going to get. I thought I was going to do under 50, but you can clearly see you're watching the replay footage we just watched after I've edited it with the speeds. We literally hit a top speed of 59 miles per hour. So I've lowered the audio so you can hear me kind of talk about it right here. 59 on this run. Now I did a couple speed passes on a fairly straight road. The first one was about 58, then I got 59, and then I had 59 again. I have pretty much 100% confidence, you see right here 59, that we could hit 60 plus. I wasn't running extremely lean. This engine still had a good amount of speed left in it, and I was only running 20% nitro with a relatively high oil content. You know, it looked fast, but I didn't think it looked 59 miles per hour fast. I am satisfied. By the way, here's another older clip of the Hyper VT. Nitro World Order. Nitro World So you want to get the Hobao Hyper VT, right? I know I would after this video. So let's check out if they are actually in stock. We're on the Hobao website for North America. We will go to 1/8 scale nitro cars. It is the on-road category. Oh, wow. Out of stock. That's a damn shame. The one from this video has been out of stock for quite some time. There is a almost ready to run version available for a huge amount of money. Comes with basically close to nothing. No wheels, no body, nothing. And there's another 80% pre-built model. Well, also comes with nothing. No engine. You're going to have to spend some money on that. So there you go. Can't get the Hobao Hyper VT at all. Even if you tried. Out of stock. And it's been out of stock for quite some time. So if you want to get one of these, you're going to have to go to your second alternative. And the second alternative is available at AMain. Let's check out their in-stock nitro kits right now. I will simply just scroll down and find the one I recommend, which is the Serpent SRX8 GT. Now this is the 8th scale competitor. It's technically the same chassis, same width, same length, 8th scale buggy style chassis. Has a 0.21 Novorossi derived engine, polished tuned pipe. It's a little bit slower. I am working on another video comparing these two, but this will be your closest option to getting an 8th scale with a 2-speed. Now this one, I will say, I ran it in a prior video. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you do. It handles really, really well. Electronics are good. The engine fires up super easy, pull start. It is way, way more fuel efficient than the Hobao, which I'm telling you, over time, you are going to appreciate the fuel efficiency of this high revving Serpent world champion style, I would say older Novorossi rebranded engine. The 0.21 is a fuel sipper compared to the Hyper 30, which is actually kind of hard to even tune. This one tunes easy and it runs great. It is also, well, about $100 cheaper when you apply a small coupon code that I'll give you in the description to this video. Click the link, get the Serpent while it's still in stock. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. And yes, there are parts available from AMain for this particular model. 59 miles per hour is a very good speed test result. Yes, I could have done more, but You know what? There's no point to try to kill RCs when you're out there trying to make them great again. And that is the purpose of this channel. Thank you all, and see you next time. NitroGang for life. Nitro World Order.
Nitro World Order.